Namaste and hello, very warm welcome to Bar Park Memorial.
Now I'd like to take you inside the museum and show you what are there in the museum and what would you like to what most of them would like to see and know about. Now I'm standing right at the heart of the museum, Victoria Cross Gaje Ghale Nepal Tara Smarak Foundation Museum. On my right, at my back is the citation of the Nepal Tara conferred by the Teen Sarkar Juddha Shamsher Rana in 1944 at Amlekhganj. On my right is the introduction of 13 Victoria Cross winners, Gurkha Victoria Cross winners during the Second World War. First World War and the Second World War. And all the names are kept serially. On my back also, behind also is the Victoria Cross winners, and on my left also are the Victoria Cross winners and the 13 Victoria Cross winners in a photograph, and then the Victoria Cross winners of British Gurkha winners and other materials, and all the materials that is need to be collected on Gaje Ghale is kept on my left. As every story has the beginning of the beginning, I am now standing at the beginning of our story. That is about our mother, Dhankori Ghale, whose dream was to have a memorial in our father's memory. So we have called it as Ama Ko Sapna, Bua Ko Nisani, as mother's dream and father's memorial. It was she who inspired us to build this memorial museum at this place in Bar Park. If a man says he is not afraid of death, he is either lying or a Gurkha. This is the love and affection that Field Marshal Manekshaw, SHFJ Manekshaw had. He is the greatest general that the world has ever seen, and all the Gurkhas love him without unconditionally. And now with that, we have the whole museums spread out by what my father had collected, his collection, his memories about various places, and all the documents that are really, it was kept very serially and in a very cogent manner, and all those things we have displayed in the museum, which I think so would give you inspiration and would like to question us. How did you get these documents, and how did you keep these photographs? We kept it because our father was very, 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 very honest in his dealings, and he kept all very, very in a army way fashion, serially and sincerely. Every documents were kept chronologically, and we had no difficulty in putting all what we had to put because of our dear father, who did his job very sincerely and valiantly. I would like to thank everybody who is watching this clip, and especially Mr. Basant Shrestha, the tourist guide, who has taken this initiative to walk up to such a difficult place, Bar Park Memorial, for his emotions and for his love, affection that he has shown towards. I thank him and his team, and I wish all the best and God bless to all the tourist guides here in Nepal and everybody everywhere in the world. Thanks a lot. God bless.